Hi guys, I am Mohan, Director of Sudhir NEET Biology Academy. Once again meeting you as a continuation of the circulatory system. Today, let us take up another important topic, that is origin and conduction of heartbeat. See, you know the heart is myogenic and the heartbeat is initiated by the sino-auricular node. Actually, it is intrinsic. It is auto-regulated. That's why, if you see, even if the nerve supply is cut off to the heart, or even if the heart is removed from the body, the heart continues to beat because it is auto-intrinsic by the pacemaker, sino-auricular node. So what are the structures involved in the origin and conduction of the heartbeat? There are four structures involved in the heart. Number one, sino-auricular node or SA node are called as the pacemaker. Number two, AV node or atrioventricular node. Third one is the bundle of His. And the last fourth one is the Purkinje tissue system. So these four structures are involved in the origin and conduction of heartbeat. So see students, I am giving you everything in a nutshell, point by point, in the NEET point of view, so that you can easily follow it, you can easily study it, you can easily memorize it in the NEET point of view. Right, let us take one by one. First, sino-auricular node. It is also called as the pacemaker, and another name is there for this as heart of hearts. Since the heartbeat is initiated here, this sino-auricular node is called as the heart of hearts. This node is auto-excitable. Underline the word auto-excitable, and it works without any external stimuli. Where it is situated, you must know. This node is situated at the upper lateral part of the right atrium. It is a small flattened muscle strip, underline, muscle strip. It's also a muscle. What is the size? It is of 1.5 centimeter into 3 mm. These are the things you must know for the NEET point of view. Actually, it generates action potential in the heart. That is, it generates 70 to 75 action potential per minute to the power minus 1. It conducts this action potential with the velocity of 0.3 meter per second. This also you must know. So this action potential is conducted with the velocity of 0.3 meter per second, and this impulse spreads throughout the atrium. Now let us come to the second structure, AV node. It is situated at the top of the interventricular septum. The action potential of the sino-auricular node stimulates this AV node. And third part is the bundle of His. What is this bundle of His? This is a muscle bundle at the mid top of the ventricle near the AV node. So its position is at the mid top of the ventricles near the AV node. So this musculature is named after the scientist His. Now the AV node conducts impulses to this bundle of His. Fourth part is the Purkinje fibers. From the bundle of His, two branches of tissues commence. You must know two branches of tissue arise from the bundle of His to two ventricles, and they go to each of the ventricle. These branches form a tissue system in each of the ventricle to form the Purkinje fibers. This Purkinje tissue is also named after the scientist Purkinje. This Purkinje tissue is also a modified form of cardiac muscle. Underline. So the Purkinje tissue is also a modified form of cardiac muscles. So now from the bundle of His, impulses are conducted to myocardial fibers of the ventricles. In the ventricles, these impulses are passed very quickly, that is at the rate of 4 meters per second. This also you must know. So the rate of impulses passing away is 4 meters per second in the ventricle. It generates the impulses at the rate of 25 per minute. Actually, there are 25 impulses produced per minute. So the heartbeat initiates at the SA node, sinoauricular node, that is the pacemaker, heart of hearts, and then from there the impulses are conducted to the AV node, and from AV node to bundle of His, and then two branches of Purkinje tissue system which take the impulses to the ventricle. So this is the method of origin and conduction of the heartbeat. Right. Now we have to talk about the artificial pacemaker also. So what do you mean by artificial pacemaker? If the natural pacemaker, that is the SA node, is damaged, an electric device called artificial pacemaker is implanted in the body. So artificial pacemaker is an electronic device in the place of the original sinoauricular node, where it is implanted in the body. This is implanted subcutaneously under the skin in the upper thoracic region, having a connection with the heart. So it is implanted subcutaneously under the skin in the upper thoracic region, having a connection with the heart. Where it is implanted, or why it has to be implanted, what is the reason to be implanted, you must know. When there is irregularities in the heart rhythm, we have to implant the artificial pacemaker. That means if there is failure of receiving atrial impulses by ventricles, then this leads to heart failure or something. So we have to replace with the artificial pacemaker. This artificial pacemaker is connected to the right ventricle for controlling its rhythm. Right? Now what are the parts of the artificial pacemaker? Simply three parts. One, the device has three parts. Number one, pulse generator cell. The cell is made up of lithium. Here the lithium cell is used, which generates the pulse impulses. Number two, a lead in the form of the wire to transmit the impulse to the heart. Third part is an electrode which is connected to that portion of the heart where the impulse has to be transmitted. So these three parts. One, the lithium cell, pulse generator cell, generates the impulses artificially, and it is conducted through the lead in the form of a wire to the heart, and it is transmitted to the electrode of the artificial pacemaker, which is connected to that portion of the heart where impulse has to be transmitted. So these things you must know regarding the need point of view. So how the heartbeat is originated, what is sinoauricular node or what is natural pacemaker, what is heart of hearts, and then from AV node, SA node to AV node, and bundle of His and Purkinje tissue system. All these things work out to generate the heartbeat and conduct the heartbeat. In the case of a failure, the natural pacemaker sinoauricular node, we have to replace it with an electrical device. It's called artificial pacemaker that we have seen now. So we have seen mostly everything in the circulatory system except for blood groups and constituents of blood, etc. Those things we'll see in the forthcoming videos. Till then, thank you very much.